Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Lexora. I'm Ryan. Today, I want to share a simple secret many English learners forget. It's not grammar. It's not vocabulary lists. It's listening. Listening is the real key to speaking English fluently. Think about how you learned your first language. As a baby, you didn't open a grammar book or memorize word lists. You listened. You listened for months before you spoke a single word. And then the words came out naturally. Without fear, without hesitation, without rules. That's the natural way. But as adults, we flip the process. We study grammar first. We try to memorize words. And then we feel stuck when speaking. The solution? Go back to listening. Make listening the heart of your English practice. Yes, listening can feel hard at first. Native speakers talk quickly. They connect words. They use slang. But don't worry. You don't need to understand everything. Just listen for the rhythm. The music of English. Like a song. You don't analyze every note. You just feel it. And here's the powerful technique I recommend. Shadowing. Shadowing means listening and repeating immediately. You copy the sounds with your own voice, without stopping, without translating, without waiting. Here's how to do it. Choose simple audio, something you understand about 70%. Listen once, without speaking, just to feel the flow. Listen again and shadow. Repeat right after the speaker. Repeat many times. Repetition is the secret. If you do this daily, even for 10 or 20 minutes, your English will transform. Your ears will hear better. Your mouth will move faster, and your confidence will grow. So remember 3 things. Listen more. Make listening the center of your study. Shadow often. Copy real English even if you make mistakes. Be patient. Fluency takes time, but the results will come. Start today. Listen while you walk, while you drive, before you sleep. Small habits repeated daily create big changes. Thank you for joining me here on English Lexora. I'm Ryan, and I can't wait to hear about your progress. Keep listening, keep shadowing, and keep believing in yourself. See you next time.